Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2 boxes of '07 Exquisite Rookie Edition. Just finished up with '08 Premier. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. After this, we'll be moving on to the last football break of the night. I'll be back on Blog TV if you want to check it out. The group breaks, 10:30 Eastern Time, Tuesday night. So, the last Exquisite, I did pull a Dice K Iwamura Dual Auto Redemption, which was nasty. Here we go. Let's continue the mojo. Off the bat, we got, for the Angels, numbered 80 out of 99, a base of John Lackey. And then we got, for the Mariners, numbered 131 out of 235, Sean White, rookie auto. Next up, we have a duel for the Dodgers. Dodgers have been getting a lot of hits in these breaks. Numbered 1 out of 10, very low numbering. Andy LaRoche and Tony Abreu. I believe I actually pulled this numbered out of 35 in the last break for the Dodgers. So All-Star Sports getting some hits. Next up, there we go. Devil Rays getting a hit. Here we go. Numbered 3 out of 99, quad jersey auto of Iwamura for the Devil Rays. So Sheck Pack is getting that. Next up, I actually have this exact same card for the Marlins, numbered 15. 15 out of 15, 1 of 1 eBay, Josh Willingham for the Marlins. I got that same card, but it's numbered out of 10, mine. And our last hit for box number 1 for the Yankees, numbered 5 out of 15. I never pulled one of these before. First Signs, it's called. Matt DeSalvo, autograph. So there's box number 1. Let's get right into box number 2, Exquisite Rookie Edition. Let's break this shit, guys. Final box of the baseball break. Let's try to get hits for those of you who haven't received any yet. Try to get everyone some hits in this break. Overall, pretty solid group break, though, I must admit. Here we go. Alright, we got for the Marlins, numbered 59 out of 75, Hanley Ramirez base. And then next, we have for the Athletics, number 22 out of 75, rookie auto of Dallas Braden. RBI Crew 7 will be getting that one. Wow, there we go. Tell me about a sick hit. I continue with the Exquisite. Between the Brewers and the Red Sox, numbered 3 out of 20. Let me know what you want to do on this. Prince Fielder and David Ortiz, dual autograph. So probably random that. And next up, we have for the Astros, quad jersey auto, numbered out of 85, Luke Scott. Two cards left. We have for the Braves, number 2 out of 25, Rookie auto of Yunel Escobar for the Braves. And our final card of the box will be for the Royals. Near mint condition. There you go. Once again, number 19 out of 25, an autograph of Joakim Soria. So there we go. That was the baseball box break. I'll be back with another group break for baseball Tuesday night, 10:30 Eastern Time, Blog TV. GSN Cards is out.